Welcome to Payrun. In this video, you'll learn how to monitor employee attendance, track working hours, manage shifts, and review attendance records using the Payrun Attendance module. Let's explore how it works. From the left navigation menu, open Attendance. The main section displays your employees in a timeline view. Each employee appears on the left while their attendance schedule is displayed across the timeline. The colored blocks represent each employee's working schedule and attendance activity throughout the day. This layout makes it easy to understand who is working, when they started, how long they worked, and whether there are any attendance gaps. If you need more information, simply click on any attendance block. A detailed panel slides in from the right, showing the employee's attendance information. Here, you can review details such as the employee's check-in and check-out time, total working hours, shift information, attendance status, and other attendance records for that day. If you have a work shift that's a cross-day shift, or any employee works overtime beyond their scheduled hours that cross the day, Payrun accurately records the complete time log across both days. Hover over this icon to see the crossed day date, ensuring overtime is recorded correctly without losing any attendance data. You can also review the employee's check-in and check-out IP addresses. If attendance is recorded from an unknown network, Payrun automatically highlights the IP address in red, making it easy to identify unusual activity and verify attendance records. This allows managers to quickly verify attendance without leaving the dashboard. At the top, you can easily switch between different dates to review attendance records for any day. Right below that, you'll find attendance insights that give you a quick overview of your workforce for the selected day. As your organization grows, finding specific employees becomes even easier. Open the Filters panel. Here, you can narrow down attendance records using different options. Once you apply the filters, the attendance board updates instantly, helping you focus only on the employees you want to review. If you want to focus on a single employee, simply select them from the employee list. This helps you review individual attendance records without the distraction of the full team. Next, let's switch to the weekly view. This layout provides a broader picture of employee attendance across the entire week. Managers can easily compare attendance between different days, identify attendance patterns, and review employee schedules without opening each individual record. Now let's move to the timesheet list. This section provides a tabular view of attendance records for all employees. Here, you can quickly review working hours, balance time, and attendance status information in one organized table. The search and filtering options like date selection, sort by system, others like before, make it easy to locate specific employees or attendance records whenever needed. This view is especially useful for reviewing attendance in bulk and preparing payroll or attendance reports. Now let's take a look at the monthly summary. This view gives you a complete monthly overview of every employee's attendance. For each employee, you can review total scheduled hours, logged hours, paid leave, and time balance, along with a detailed day-by-day attendance record for the selected month. You can also filter the data or switch between employees to quickly find the information you need. And that's the attendance module in Payrun. With powerful timeline views, flexible filters, detailed attendance records, and organized attendance tracking, Payrun makes it simple to monitor your entire workforce from one place. To explore Payrun's other modules, be sure to check out our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.